Today we have an all new product for the Can-Am Defender 6x6. This is the long bed. This is the work mule. This is the best of the best, I guess you could say. Our all new bed box for the Defender 6x6. It also fits the Defender Pro. So it's gonna fit almost all of your models. You have several different options when it comes to this bed box. You have the option to do a door here for easy access inside. You have another option for a door here. So you can do 4 doors all on each side, or you can just do 2 on each side. There's also an option to put a roof rack up on top with some lighting options. It's going to level out and be the same height as your OEM of the machine. So it's all gonna look pretty much like it's just one. Very sleek design. Around the back here is the door that is also theft preventive. So you have some latches here that can be locked. Very easy to open up. Still be able to utilize all of your bed. I mean, this is going to be really good for your paramedics, for your EMT, your firefighters, your trail police, anything like that. Put all that equipment up in there. It's going to keep it dry out of all different climates of weather, snow, rain, all that stuff. Very easy and simple to lock it up. Keep everything closed and inside. So with this bed box on the back of your Defender, I know we're gonna get asked the question, so I'm just gonna go ahead and prove it to you that it can be done. You're still going to be able to utilize the tilt bed. Go all the way up with it as far as you need to. So it still allows you easy access if you do have some sort of problem with your engine, your intake, any of your fluids that needs to be accessed. You're still going to be able to access everything back here with the bed box on. So you don't have to take it off and worry about, oh, I'm going to lose this part, lose this bolt, this screw. No, 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 no. Still going to be able to utilize everything back there with the bed box intact. So if you're ready to throw this box on your Defender, check us out, thumperfab.com. Get on the website, find a dealer near you. I'll see you on the trail.